This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. I cannot guarantee you will make money nor will have the same experience as mine in this video. I'm just showing you different websites, apps, and methods that have the potential of making money. I'm not also a financial advisor nor expert in such thing, so make sure you always do your own research first. CryptoBlades is a play-to-earn NFT RPG developed by Riveted Games on the Binance Smart Chain platform. The game revolves around the acquisition of legendary blades and powerful heroes to wield them. Players may participate in combat using their assets to earn skill tokens. Assets are player-owned NFTs minted in the ERC 721 standard, which may be traded on the proprietary marketplace. CryptoBlades utilizes a play-to-earn model by distributing skill through gameplay and giving value to player NFTs by increasing their use through future features. NFTs may be freely traded on the marketplace for skill tokens, which can then be traded on exchanges or converted to fiat currency. Search MetaMask extension in Google. we go to www.cryptoblades.com so that we can connect the MetaMask we made and so that we can open our CryptoBlades account. Click here. Just pin the MetaMask to the tab for easy search and viewing. The MetaMask will automatically pop up. Then click Next. Congrats to you, you have already created your account with CryptoBlades. The next thing you will do is buy a character and a weapon, but before that you need a skill token to buy in the marketplace. Make sure you watch my next video on how to put a skill token in MetaMask. Subscribe to my channel so you can follow my journey here on CryptoBlades. So you can also see if we can really make money here in these games. Here in Marketplace you can buy characters and weapons, but you need a skill token. You can buy here automatic random character you get. You can get a strong character if you are lucky. But if you don't want to gamble, just buy it here in the marketplace. You can choose what you want. You can also buy the strongest character if you have the money to buy it, of course. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see my journey here at CryptoBlades. And hopefully this video tutorial helped you.
To change your